What is going on, RC people of YouTube? Today, I'm doing a giveaway.
Perfect.
So for a thank you to all my subscribers, new and old, I've been doing a few giveaways. At 700, I gave away a Knight Customs 3D printed jerry can. And for 800, I am giving away this volt checker for your LiPo batteries. So I picked up some of these not long ago, and I was like, that'd be a great thing to give away. It's a very useful tool. So I got one here open, and what you do is you just plug in your balance port. It beeps, tells you what you have total, and then it goes through each cell, and you can see there it tells you what each voltage is for each cell. So it's super convenient, and it's a good way, especially if you have a lot of the same batteries, to decipher what one is charged, what one is not. Super simple. So the rules for this are US only. That is it. To enter, all you have to do is leave a comment below whether you like crawling or bashing more, and maybe a brief explanation of why, and just let me know what you think. I really can't make up my mind. If you had to force it out of me, I'd probably say crawling, just because it's a little more in depth for me. I really like messing with all the rigs and building rigs and stuff, but bashing is also like super fun. I love hitting jumps and going fast, but you break more things, so it gets a little more costly. Crawling, you can just build up your rig pretty good, and you usually don't break if you're careful, I guess. I mean, everyone kind of crawls a little different. So just a quick channel update, I guess. I got some stuff coming out. I just got the new Element RC kit all built. That thing should be ready to rip soon. The rest of the parts I need for the build will be here this week, so you can stay tuned. I'll probably do maybe a little walkthrough of everything I got, and the electronics and all that stuff that I'm going to be using in this truck. So far I only have the servo in there for electronics. It's the EcoPower high voltage servo. I actually took it out of my HPI because I'm trying to save some money, so I figured I'd just share that servo with this truck, because still not sure what's going on with HPI, so I'm not really looking to crawl with that rig too much because I don't want to break anything. I'm not sure what the part availability will be. I gotta get the Revo out. I only ran it one time, and the shakedown run didn't go that great. I need to get it out and bash with it a little bit more and try to figure out a few more things with that Mamba Monster X I got on there, with that Hobby Star motor. I might tweak a few settings with the Castle Link there. I'm not sure if it was just the tires, but I don't know. The truck just wasn't quite how I wanted it. I haven't had either of my armor rigs out in a while either. I was busy with Axial Fest. I got a lot of views on those videos. It looked like you guys really enjoyed those, so that was super cool. Yeah, so I'm just trying to keep my channel rocking and rolling. I just want to show some appreciation and give something away. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you can see the new videos that I put out, because I will be doing another giveaway when we get to 900, which we're pretty close to, because I'm at like 840-ish right now. It just took me a little while to get the 800 subscriber video out because I was busy with those Axial Fest videos, so I was a little bit behind there, but I will come up with something to give away at 900, probably a 3D printed part that I have. I got that rooftop tent, but at 1,000 subscribers I am going to give away one of my Scale RC Life shirts that I designed. You probably see me wearing those in some of my videos, so I will be giving away a shirt at 1K. We're very close to that, so hopefully we get there soon. But I just want to say thanks to everyone subscribing and watching my videos. It means a lot. But you guys know the deal. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.